Cuckoo. Hello guys and welcome back to Cheza Cheza. So this is the introductory video for the tutorial series that I talked to you guys about earlier. Whatever you can see on the screen is one of my games, Wana Savana Zawadi, and what I wanted to do was redevelop the game and now bring you guys along for the ride. So the game that you can see currently on the screen has been coded using the Java programming language. I did it in purely in Java. And sometime after publishing it, I came across Godot and I started messing around with the Godot game engine. And since I found Godot very interesting, and since then I've always wanted to redevelop the game in Godot. So this is the opportunity for that. And I thought instead of just doing it on my own, why don't I do recordings of it and post them on YouTube for anybody who wants to follow along. So I'll be making the assets that you can see on the screen, the tiles, the character, the backgrounds, the clouds, the trees, all that. I'll be making them freely available to you guys if you want to follow along as I code the game. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and just do a Google search for Godot. It should be the top result. So open the link, of course, and this will lead you to the Godot website. If you're completely new to Godot, you might want to just scroll through the website, learn a lot about Godot. But the main thing that I can tell you about Godot, and the main appealing factor for me in using Godot, is that it's a free and open source engine to use. Free as in nobody will ever charge you a single cent or a single shilling to use it. And open source means that also you can modify it and distribute it as you see fit. So anyway, we're gonna head over to the download section. We'll see here that the Godot version, the latest Godot version that was released on March 23rd, 2022, is Godot 3.4.4. So that's the Godot version that we're going to be using for this tutorial series. So dependent on whether your machine is a 64-bit machine or a 32-bit machine, just go ahead and download the version that's suitable for your machine. Mine is a 64-bit machine, so that's what I'm going to be downloading here. So what you want to do again is now trace the file on your hard disk and now place it in a folder where you're going to be using it. So after you've traced your downloaded file, now it's time to decide where you want it to exist on your hard disk. So find a folder where you want to place the engine in your hard disk, and it's a simple zipped file. So the thing about Godot, and the thing I love most about Godot, is how lightweight it is. Like you can see on the screen right here, this downloaded file for Godot is just over 36 megabytes in size. Compare that to engines like Unity, where it's going to be, I think, over 2 gigabyte in size. Compare that to things like Unreal and all that. Godot is really lightweight, but because it's lightweight doesn't mean it's less capable. No, it's just as capable as something like Unity. Once you've placed the downloaded zipped file in the folder that you want, you just go ahead and extract the contents of the zip file. And the good thing about Godot again is that no installation is necessary. All you need to do is extract the file, and voila. So that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like the video. Also, if you'd like to see more content coming up, please subscribe. And lastly, if you have friends that you think will enjoy learning about game development, please share this video with them. I'd be really appreciative if this tutorial got to as many aspiring developers as possible. Thank you, and see you in the next one.